Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for being here. I'm Jamie from Heavenly Dreams Dairy Goats, and I'm coming up because I'm going to do some explaining on our Mustangs. And I've got DNA testing back on Hercules, which is my husband's coming 4-year-old. He's from Maverick Medicine. And then my husband's little filly that we got him just a few weeks ago, Meg, and she's from Fish Creek, Wyoming. So here we go. That's pretty dusty. No, I think it's just from where it was sitting on the ground.
Yeah.
Hercules, what you doing, boy? You gonna be nice and not bite? You gonna be nice and not bite? So I'll try to get back here. Oh, he's gonna follow me. Boy, I was trying to get a good picture of you. He just wants his withers itched. But he's number 1, standardbred. Number 2, Turcoman, which are both racehorses. And then number 3, Tennessee Walker, which he is gated. Aren't you, Hercules? And then Miss Meg here, she's out of 3 ponies. 2 which are race ponies, and I can't even pronounce the name of them. And her number 3 is a Welsh pony. So she shouldn't be a whole lot bigger than what she is now. Maybe another 3 inches and that'll be about it. It rained most of the day yesterday, or in the evening anyways. And this was kind of, it had some coals sitting in the bottom of it, but not a whole lot. So we had to try to make another fire. The kids are at their dad's house for Thanksgiving. So it's just my husband and I. I heard an owl hooting over there somewhere in the woods. I thought I would video while I got warm, and then I gotta go back down there and help my husband with the wood, because otherwise he's got to shut the saw off and stop and do all that good stuff. Slows him down. You see Hercules is standing up there watching. You got Diamond and Meg over here. Which can't really. It feels nice. It's chilly today, just dreary, because it is like lightly sprinkling out. everybody. There's the wild turkeys. Looks like there's 2 toms for sure. Oh, no, it's 3 toms. They got big old beards on them. This is on Thanksgiving Day. Oh, he sees me. He's not too worried about me. I didn't think toms hung out together. But you can see them big old beards on them. And our turkeys are over there all puffed up. It's amazing. I just bet I could video this for quite a while before they decide to go away. But I don't want to interrupt them. I gotta finish cooking dinner. Here's a dog chewing on himself. How puffy our turkeys look. Tom's out there strutting. There they go up the hill. Okay, I thought I'd show everybody what we had for Thanksgiving. It looks like we're close up for some reason. Here we go. Green bean casserole, and then this is my homemade rice and cheese with broccoli inside it. And then my husband don't like these, but I do. Sweet potatoes, Hawaiian buns, and then I've got, and it's still a little hot, our turkey breast there with some actual baked potatoes for my husband because he doesn't like mashed potatoes. And then we've got our 3 pies, a banana cream pie, a pumpkin pie, and a chocolate pie. Hope you guys all enjoy your dinner. Let's go out and tell my husband. I seen that he cut a tree and it looked like it split possibly and went halfway into the and went into another tree. That's what it looked like. Oh yeah, it ended up splitting, but it didn't go in another tree like I thought it did. But let's go down and tell my husband it's time to eat.